Going to the visiting spot. Dialogue 1.
How far is the company from here?
About 20 minutes on driving car.
Is the traffic convenient there?
Yes, it is. We're near a highway and the harbor is only 30 kilometers away.
I've seen your exhibits and I'm interested in some of your items. So I'd like to visit your company personally.
I'd like to extend a warm welcome to you on behalf of our company.
I want to have a look at the production line. As we all know, quality is the most important of all.
Of course, I quite agree with you. I'm sure they'll satisfy you. Dialogue 2. You have been to the company, haven't you?
Just only once. I visited it 3 years ago. That's a very short visit to manager's office.
I'll show you around carefully this time.
Yes, please.
We are always improving our design and patterns to conform to the demanding of the world market these years.
I want to see the latest products by this chance and get some information about the technique from your technicians.
Okay, I'll introduce the technicians to you after we get there. Looking around the company. Dialogue 1. Today I'll show you around our company. I'll translate for you. Hope you will have a mainly idea about it.
It's very kind of you to say so. My associate and I will be interested in visiting your company. There's nothing better like seeing things with one's own eyes.
Okay, here we go. We were founded in 1998. There are 700 employees here.
Do they all work here?
About 100 employees are in the head office, and the rest are in branches elsewhere.
What's your company's main product now?
Our leading product is excellent electronic product. It sells fast in many big cities all over China and has recently been exported to North America.
I think we may be able to work together in the future.
That sounds like a good idea. Dialogue 2.
Welcome to our company, Mr. Black.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Zhao. I've been looking forward to this visit.
Let's start with an orientation video, shall we?
How long does it run?
About 20 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, that's all.
We've known you've made great achievement in the electronic products according to the video.
Well, we have been focusing on the development of the products, and we now invest 100 million yuan in it each year.
All of your products are really fantastic. May I have a catalog?
Certainly. Here is our catalog and price list.
Looking around the factory. Dialogue 1. This is our factory. It covers an area of 95,000 square meters.
It's much larger than we expected.
Please put on the helmet first.
Do we need to put on the jacket too?
You'd better put it on to protect your clothes. Now, please watch your step and come along with me.
Thank you.
If you have any questions during the visit, please tell me to stop.
We will.
Dialogue 2.
I'm glad to have the chance to visit here.
We warmly welcome you.
Thank you.
Please take a look at the production line. We use up-to-date technology.
Is the operation fully computer controlled?
Yes.
Do you make your own designs or just use the traditional patterns about the products?
Both. But we pay more attention to making our own designs.
May I ask any questions about the technique?
I'm not familiar with that part. Let me call Mr. Wang, who has it at his fingers.
Thanks a lot.
Looking around the showroom. Dialogue 1. This is our showroom. Quite a few overseas buyers have visited it before.
What a spacious showroom! It looks like it's going to be quite a tour.
Where shall we start?
It would take hours if I really look at everything.
You like to keep up to date, so let's look at the latest products. Is that okay?
Good idea. As for the rest, we can have a glance at them. By the way, how often do you change the samples?
New products are sent here every month. You'll look at the new one if you come here next month.
I hope I can stay here every day.
Dialogue 2.
May I have a look at the samples?
Okay. This kind of washing machine is our latest model. It made a great success at the exhibition several days ago.
How long has it been on the market?
A month. And it is very popular up to now.
What's the advantage of it?
It includes the most advanced technology. It is of low noise design. You can hardly hear the noise when it's working.
I don't know whether it will meet the needs of our country.
We have done some market research about it. We assure you it certainly will meet your needs.
Really? That's great.
Goodbye.